Greetings guys. Today I'm going to discuss Pratogya Darpan magazine review. This is one of the most popular book. It is mostly referred by IAS aspirants, IAS or state level PCS exams or KAS exams. Now let's go into it. It is a very popular magazine, and the next obvious question would come, where to get it? You can get it anywhere. You can get it in Amazon, and you can also get it in Sapna bookstores if it is nearby a house. I got it from Sapna. Let's deep dive into it. There are many parts in this. This is news and events. For people who are preparing for career, there it is, virtual jobs are coming out, and current affairs, sports and other things, science and technology. As I told you, this book is very good for the people who are preparing for UPSC civil service exams. A very good tips are given. Few of the people who have qualified this exam, you can see here, the photos are here. They would be advising you how to get it. At the end, some few articles are also given for you to be helpful in the mains exam where you have to write the articles. Question papers also there. The civil pre-exam. As we all know, there are 3 sets of exams in CSE. That is, first one is prelims. That prelims is only called pre. Then second one is mains, and third one is the interview. Interview is not an exam, but let's consider over here an exam for easy simplicity. It's a very good starting. I read this and it will inspire you very spiritually about why hard work is very important and not to depend upon the result. So over here it is giving you about the nation, what all new events are happening in the nation, so you can become well aware. I have read enough and I have highlighted a few points per pencil for it to be easier for me to. If you have seen my previous video on Arihant competition and focus, the difference between that one and this here is everything is given in full detail. Most of the topics are given in more detail, as well as you can see important tips also given here about few people who have made the highlights of the news. There is also there Arihant a separate section, but over here it is given in few columns. The depth inside this book is very much, but however I find the amount of resources that it is present for 1 month is a bit less than Arihant, because over here it is mainly based upon IAS preparation, IAS or CSE preparation. But the world is also given. It's a very good, you can refer this. As I told, few important persons also given. Few important details, like you can see Middle East is given good detail. Regional news about every state is given over here, every state and union territory, what is happening. Right now Jammu and Kashmir, there's some protest happening by Minister Mehbooba and various others regarding the elections. That is important. Again, national, international, it is there. According to me, this is important for people who are preparing for Indian Foreign Service. It will be helpful for you in the international relations paper if you are choosing that. Defense, yes, it is there. However, it is pretty less, I would say. Many things keep happening in the defense. If you read the Hindu newspaper only, you'll get to know. Every week at least 2 or 3 articles are on that only. This is very good. You can get to know what kind of exams are gonna come. So let's see. Here main exam is there who have qualified the pre-exam. So you can study this by putting the pause button. Sports, It is a very big privilege for me to have this, because points are given in very brief and to the point. This is my favorite part, science and technology, because I'm interested about space and various other things. Very good diagrams, again color diagrams, so you'll not feel bored while reading this book. Now let's look into some solved papers. You can see here NET is an exam, competitive one. However, the knowledge of why NET is conducted, it is less for me. Only I know that's a national level exam. MCQ questions are given. And behind the answers also, but that is good. Now let's look into some of the main parts. Here you can go into the Patrika Darpan and you can see 80 rupees it is for one book, both English and Hindi. Let's see something it is 59 page. So as you can see, important people interview is given. You can read that and you can plan your preparation. I've read his Ravi Jain's interview, and you'll get to know that he has passed in the third or the fourth attempt, and he is a pure example of hard work and patience. Even she has topped the UPPSCS. So you get a lot of motivation after reading this. Environment and ecology, it is good, you can read. Priority guidelines. There are few. This is the main one, very important I would say. National education policy just come for everyone. It is new. You should read this. And there are some personality development as well as a few essays. If you'll read them, you'll feel very satisfied, and your knowledge also enhanced. Right to property. This is very good. You can relate everything like Jammu and Kashmir. Right? Recently, the government told that anyone can buy the land, not only the citizens of it. But that is you can relate the things. And this is one of the most important points. He is Nishant Jain, IAS, and he is giving a detailed writing of how to write the mains exam. At least I would say if you're preparing for IAS, you must read one article every day. Either it's from the Hindu newspaper or it's from the articles like this. If you read, obviously it will become very clear for you how to do the things. So let's go to the CSE page, exam page. This is very important I would say. General studies held on 4th October. You should practice this. You can see how the level of UPSC is increasing in all the exams. For example, if you take defense exam also and this CSE also, the level is increasing. So you need to practice also previous papers. The hints are given. Hints are very good. You can take good knowledge from them. Now I'm going to give my suggestions about how I found this book was. This book, according to me, is a very good for people who are preparing for IAS or any CSE, PCS exams. However, for people who are studying for example, defense related exams, this book may not be a so useful, as I had pointed out in a previous competition and focus book, because in competition and focus book everything has been given to the adequate amount, means after reading that you'll be able to answer most of the general knowledge questions, current affairs questions, which for the particular month. In IAS here, as you have seen, most of is given how to clear the mains exams and how to write a few articles. Everything is given, interviews given. For other people preparing for other exams which is not IAS or PCS, then I would say this book is not so useful. Otherwise, if you are referring this book along with another magazine which is giving you good information about everything else which is required for your exam, then getting this book is a bonus to your preparation. As you see, the more you read, the more information you're gonna get. And hence I rest my case over here, telling that Patrika Darpan is very good and I would rate it 8 out of 10. I hope all of you will like this video, and also please comment if you have any doubts. Thank you. See you in the next video.